Zbcn just tapped into the point of interest we discussed in our last Zbcn video. Now, in this video, briefly, we're going to be talking about the Zbcn price update and also this very important Zbcn liquidation heat map. There's a lot to talk about here. And yeah, so let's just go back to the chart real quick. Before then, if you guys are paying attention, the entire cryptocurrency market is still in the extreme fear zone. That is, people are angry, people are fearful and confused. People are not interested in buying crypto at the moment. And that's why majority, let me say 98% of altcoin price are tanking, plummeting to the downside. So it's not just Zbcn, 99% of altcoins are down, including BTC, the entire market technically. So Zbcn is currently trading around 0.0025. And sooner or later, we should get a bounce from here to the upside. If you're paying attention to the MACD indicator on the 4-hour time frame, but we are currently in the oversold territory. And sooner or later, the moment you guys start seeing a green histogram being printed and the MACD line, which is the blue line, crossing above the signal line, which is the orange line, and the both line going above the zero line, then the moment the both line are going above the zero line, it is a bullish indicator for Zbcn. I think the most important indicator, number one, we should be paying attention to now is the MACD line, which is the blue line crossing above the orange line. The moment that is happening, that is a sign that the bulls are about to seize control of the Zbcn price. Now, if we're going properly to the chart, we are likely to consolidate here for a while from the look of things. Now, the reason why I said that is because let's even look at the trading volume real quick. Zbcn trading volume is up 46% in the last 24 hours. The trading volume has reduced massively. We are now currently below $10 million trading volume, which is not looking good for Zbcn. Trading volume is currently seated at $7,411,280.76. Market cap seated at $244 million. Now, I saw a couple of comments in my previous Zbcn videos. Some were saying Zbcn is dead, while some of you guys are still positive and still optimistic for a higher prices come Q1 2026, which I happen to fall among that boat as well, in that boat, because I'm expecting a higher price for Zbcn, and not just Zbcn, the entire altcoin market come Q1 and also early Q2 2026 as well. Now, this individual said Zbcn is in a constant free fall, price only goes down. Now, like I said earlier, it is not just Zbcn, the entire cryptocurrency market is in the same boat. Now, if you're paying attention, we have liquidity both to the upside and to the downside for Zbcn, massive liquidity. Now, this is clearly indicating that we are likely to consolidate here for a while before we see a massive push to the upside. As a matter of fact, we don't even have enough positions open on Zbcn. We only have less than $8,000 technically worth of positions open on Zbcn according to the data from Bybit liquidation heat map. So the liquidation zones here, I think is between the liquidation zones here is between 0.0026 and also let me check it out real quick, and also 0.0023 territory. Now, if we are to go back to the chart, I think it perfectly aligns with the point of interest I drew for you guys previously. You see, it perfectly aligns with the point of interest. So now, if care is not taken, we might just maybe retest this high once again, because we obviously retested it a couple of hours ago and got a rejection from there. So if we retest it once again and get a rejection to properly tap into this point of interest, you guys should not panic. There is no cause for alarm. Sooner or later, we should just maybe consolidate inside for a while before breaking out to the upside, retesting it as support. The moment you guys are seeing a retest of that range, the previous range as support, it is an indication that price is about to send higher to the upside all the way to 0.0032 for Zebec network. Now, the second scenario is the moment you guys are seeing Zbcn losing this range and retesting the range as a resistance, then just start expecting further price drop to the downside for Zbcn. But I'm favoring the upside, like I'm favoring a price move to the upside down to the downside for Zbcn.